Do you hear that? Hear what? Fireworks! Come on, guys. Let's go outside. I think I hear something too. I don't know if it's showing up as a background noise in the video, but I sure do hear some fireworks in the distance, so let's go. Okay. Sounds pretty cool. I mean... Yo, dudes, we're outside.
Yo, dudes.
All
right.
Well, let's go get to the fireworks. Happy 4th of July, everyone!
Happy 4th of July!
Hello, freedom! Hey guys, aren't you just having so much fun right now? Like, I love, all these, firework things. 4th of July is my favorite holiday. Of course it is. You're a 4th of July beanie boo. Christmas is mine because I'm a Christmas beanie boo, and Grinner's is Halloween. Yeah, it all makes sense. But this is still actually, really cool, and I'm really enjoying this. More fireworks! Yeah, we're having a good time. Yeah. So, what's your favorite part so far? I guess the fireworks and sparklers are cool. Brothers again, making a big mistake. Oh, so stupid. Yo, dudes, those fireworks were insane. I love those fireworks. What about you guys? Yeah, I like them more. well, we sure are having a lot of fun here. Yeah, boy. I wish we were over there.